Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we had job opportunities from two companies, Cognizant and Uber. And in Cognizant, we had more than 2000 positions. So we'll discuss complete details in this video. Before going into a main content, a small request to the viewers. Those who are visiting channel for the first time, our channel provides all latest job updates time to time. So please do subscribe channel. Cognizant is hiring for RPA skills hiring, freshers, 2020 batch of BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MS software engineer, 5 years integrated course degree students only. Consistent academic record of minimum 60% in 10th, 12th diploma, UG and PG. All subjects are taken into consideration and calculated as below. Aggregate is equal to sum of the subjects marks scored by total number of subjects as last semester results declared. And candidate should not have backlogs, no standing arrears in current education, maximum 2 years of gap in education is allowed. At the time of joining, all recruits need to have minimum 60% marks throughout their academics without any backlogs. Students applied for revaluation, waiting for results would be considered with initial status score declared. Appropriate CGPA to person conversion to be considered as per university norms. Candidate need to have strong communication skills, both written and verbal in English. Open only to Indian nationals. Flexible to relocate to anywhere in India and need to be work in any shift or domain. Designation IT Programmer Analyst Trainee for freshers. Initial compensation starting salary INR 4 lakhs per annum. Selection process includes online aptitude assessment followed by virtual interviews. In the same notification, they clearly mention required skills which includes Python, .NET, AngularJS, Automation Anyway, Blue Prism, Selenium, Azure, UiPath, Java, Pega, SQL. Only candidates with the listed skills are eligible to register. Interested candidates can register by clicking click here to fill the form, where we need to enter university, college roll number, first name, last name, mobile number, gender, email ID, date of birth, nationality, marks in 10th, inter, degree and qualifying year, and as well as graduation specialization, aggregate percentage, graduation year of passing, permanent address, city, state, postal code, current address, state you are currently staying in, city you are currently staying in. Are you flexible towards work timing, location, technology, domain? Please enter your current city pin code. And as well as we had, if you have any gap in your education, choose your preferred interview location. We had n number of locations, okay. Hyderabad is also one of the interview location. Please mention history of arrears, history of arrears, but we should not have any standing arrears, viewers. Please enter your father name and PAN card details, proficient skills, and choose file, upload resume and submit your application. So interested candidates can apply for this position, viewers. I am going to provide registration link in description. And next job opportunity from Uber. Uber is hiring, viewers. All that you need about Uber hack tag. The future is still much bigger than past. Eligibility criteria includes to participate in Uber hack tag to open all working professionals, engineering students who are pursuing also full-time BE, BTech, ME, MTech all years degrees across branches. If you done your specialization, you can apply to this particular Uber hack tag program. Rules: hack tag is open to working professionals or students pursuing full-time BA, BTech, ME, MTech in any stream, any specialization. Participating students can be from any specialization or domain. Participants must register for this competition on Dare to See Compete platform with the team within upper limit of 3 people per team. So you need to form 3 in team and you need to participate in this program so that you will get an opportunity to participate in Uber interviews. Even they are offering attractive prices. There is no restriction on number of teams from an institute. Any deviation from above will result in immediate disqualification of entire team. Modification of team post registration will not be allowed. And yes, we had stages. First stage is the selection process in order to win prize money. Online coding challenge. Duration is 50 minutes and it will be regarding C, C++, Java, Python, PHP, JavaScript, Python 3, Java 8. Those who have cleared first round followed by prototyping. Participants selected from the first round would be provided with theme or a problem statement that they would have a leverage to build a prototype solution where they would be tested on shortlisting criteria including but no limited to innovation, completeness. And those who are shortlisted in the second round, third round will be grand finale. And prizes viewers, cash prizes 2 lakhs for winning team, 1 lakh for second place and third place 50,000 for working professionals who are participated. They are professionals, so they are offering very good prize money. Winning team 2 lakhs, second place 1 lakh, third place 50,000. If students are participating, winning team 1,20,000, second place 60,000, third place 30,000. Here very important point is like opportunity for selected students to participate in interviews for full-time roles or internships at Uber basic requirement. Participation certificates will be awarded for participating students. Maximize your readiness for opportunities available with top technology and products companies. So interested candidates can apply for this position viewers. Once if it is a very good opportunity for students. Even they'll have an opportunity to participate in the interviews viewers. So I'm going to provide registration link in the description, both Cognizant and Uber. Through link you can apply for particular position if it is matches to your profile. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much. All the best for your upcoming interviews. Please do subscribe channel, hit bell icon to receive all latest job notifications time to time.